In this lesson, I want to show you how to change the corner type when rounding. First, let's create a cube. A square from the center on 150 by 150. It seemed so. 50 by 150. Exit the sketch. Let's extrude it also to 150. Okay. Now let's add the fillet. Click, click, click. 50. If we press enter, we'll see what kind of corner we get, like this. I'd like a smoother corner. So let's open set back parameters. And here in this menu, select the dot. Here you specify the distance from the central point to this point. Let's set 40, 40, 40, 40. All together now, everyone. Let's do it together. Enter. Now we can see what kind of tessellation we got here. Not very nice. So let's take surfaces. Delete face. Click, 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 click. And turn on delete and fill. Okay. And now we can see what kind of corner we have now. This was Robert FTF with you. Bye bye everyone.